Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to add a payment method on Bybit. So for that guys, it's very easy. You go to deposit and of course you will have to deposit funds if you want to trade. If you of course want to use your payment method other than just crypto. So after going into deposit, you go to Fire Deposit, press on this button. And after that guys, as you can see, now you can use your payment methods. So Fiat, you know what that is. It's a payment method outside of crypto. Now just press on more payment methods if you want to choose something else. So for example, you can choose SEPA, you can choose a bank payment, as you can see, and then you will have to add your bank card, of course. But before that, as you can see, we are told that we need to identify ourselves. So you can verify as individual or as a business. And after that, you just use your card or you can use any payment method, Ideal, SEPA, Zen.com, anything you want. And basically after that you just add it and you will be able to buy crypto and other assets as well. So that's pretty much it. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, press like and I will see you soon.